Imagine being able to predict the future. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, with big data analytics, it's not only possible, it's happening right now. From healthcare to retail, companies are using massive amounts of data to make smarter decisions, improve products, and forecast trends like never before. Let's dive into how big data analytics is changing the game. First up, what is big data analytics? At its core, it's the process of analyzing large volumes of data to uncover hidden patterns, correlations, and trends. Think of it like solving a puzzle. Each data point is a piece, and when you fit them together, you unlock new insights. Check out the 4 types of key analytics you should know about. Descriptive. This is the what happened analysis. It takes historical data and helps businesses understand what's occurred in the past. For example, you can use it to figure out how many people bought a certain product last month. Diagnostic. Moving beyond what happened, this digs into why something happened. If sales dropped last month, Diagnostic Analytics looks at factors like market trends or customer feedback to explain the dip. Predictive Analytics uses historical data to forecast future trends. Imagine being able to predict when a machine in your factory might break down, saving time and, of course, money. Prescriptive. This takes things even further. It doesn't just tell you what's happening or why, but it suggests the best course of action. For instance, after predicting a sales decline, Prescriptive Analytics would help you decide on strategies to boost sales. But how does all this actually work? Tools like Hadoop and Spark process vast data sets in real time, helping businesses make quick, data-driven decisions. Retailers, for instance, use customer data to personalize shopping experiences. In healthcare, data analytics helps doctors predict patient needs and improve care. Next, industry trends. Several emerging trends are shaping big data's trajectory. One is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning, both of which help businesses unlock deeper insights from vast datasets by automating complex decision-making processes. Additionally, cloud computing continues to play a central role in big data, offering scalable and flexible solutions for storing and analyzing data at scale. The cloud's accessibility is expected to further accelerate its adoption across various industries. As big data continues to evolve, privacy and security concerns are also at the forefront. With data governance regulations tightening globally, companies are focusing more on protecting sensitive data while still leveraging it for valuable insights. Big data analytics isn't just for tech giants and global enterprises. Small businesses can now access these powerful tools too, thanks to cloud computing, which makes data analytics accessible for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company. The power of big data analytics is right at your fingertips. If you want to be a part of that transformation and continue learning about how big data is shaping the future, check out the resources in the caption.